Now, all right, guys. This right here might be one of the most unexpected, fun electric rides I've ever tested in a while. This is the Mooncool TK1 Foldable E-Trike, a three-wheel electric trike that's part scooter, part bike, and 100% fun. Now, whether you're commuting, cruising, or just tired of balancing in two wheels, this thing is built to make riding simple, comfortable, and stylish. Now, first off, look at this design. It's compact, low to the ground, and folds in seconds. The TK1 is made for people who want stability without sacrificing convenience. You can literally fold it up and toss it in your SUV, camper, or even store it in your apartment. And despite being foldable, it doesn't feel flimsy. The frame feels solid, no rattling or sketchy welds. It's got a nice step through design as well, so hopping on and off is super easy, especially for seniors or anyone with mobility issues. Now, let's talk power. The Mooncool TK1 packs 500 watts motor that gives plenty of kick for daily rides. It's not built for racing, but man, it's zippy. It cruises comfortably around 15 to 20 miles per hour, depending on your weight and terrain. And if you're worried about inclines, it handles gentle hills with no problem at all. Plus, it has pedal assist and throttle, so you can choose how much effort you want to put in. Now, the throttle mode is great for when you just want to chill and cruise, while pedal assist helps extend your range, which, by the way, is around 30 miles on full charge. Now, the removable 48 volts lithium battery is stuck nicely under the seat. Pop it out or charge it inside, you're good to go in about 4 to 5 hours. I love that you can bring just the battery inside, especially if you're living in a condo or somewhere without an outdoor outlet. Also, Mooncool includes a key lock to the battery, for a bit of security, which is a nice touch. Now let's talk about the seat. Man, it's wide, padded, and super comfy. You can literally sit here for hours. The backrest adds a little bit of a support that makes longer rides feel like a breeze. And because it's a trike, you don't need to balance or worry about tipping over when you stop. Perfect for riders who want to feel stable and confident. Now let's be honest, this might just be the ultimate grocery store cruiser. I mean, you've got a rear basket big enough for your milk, eggs, and maybe even your emotional support cat. Now, when we're talking about safety, it's also got the front and rear disc brakes. It has a bright LED headlight and a tail light as well. So it's safe to ride even in the evening. The controls are simple with the on and off switch, assist level selector, and throttle. No confusing displays or setup. Now, the tires are fat 3-inch wide, giving it great traction on gravel, grass, or even pavement. And the suspension does a surprisingly good job of absorbing the bumps. Now, here's where it gets impressive it folds down in seconds. You don't need any tools, you don't need any stress. Perfect for RV travelers, campers, or anyone short on space. You can take it literally anywhere. Now, who's this e trike for? Honestly, almost anyone. Seniors who want to keep riding, people recovering from injury, city commuters who hate parking, or even weekend adventurers looking for a chill ride. Its stability meets freedom. It's not trying to replace your mountain bike, it's trying to make riding fun again. No stress, no balance worries, just pure, easy cruising. So yeah, the Mooncool TK1 might not look, like your typical e-bike, but once you ride it, you'll get it. It's fun, it's comfortable, and it's genuinely practical. The fact that it holds up is a game changer. Now, if you want to see more electric rides like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Ask me anything there. And my question to you is, would you rock a three-wheel e-trike like this or stick to the two-wheeler? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!